It's become brown color when you mix three color, blue, yellow and red. So now let's continue with the ears. Done with the ears. Now I will concentrate on his ornaments. For the ornaments I will use red color, orange color and yellow color. So yeah, let's see how it's come out after the end. Here I am doing the feathers with yellow color, red color, green color, orange color and blue color. So yeah. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family and a place to stay. If you like this process of painting with me, then please give it a big thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel below if you are new here, and don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Yeah.